Hey guys, welcome back to today's video. So today I thought I would do a quick unboxing from My Third and Main. I've been ordering through them for the last few months now and I love their stuff. My Third and Main is a monthly home decor subscription service. So I thought I would do a quick unboxing of what came in this month's box. So each month there's a little booklet in here and it talks about the products and where you can go online to find them. And it looks like this month is all about lemons. They do, typically in the first page, they put a little description of the theme. So we will jump in. So the first thing in here are these flour sack napkins. They're super cute. They have lemons on them. I personally love lemons. They are featuring this as a local maker, and these retail for $39. These are the lemon napkins by Doe and Deer, and it looks like there is 4 of them in here. All right, so the next thing in this month's box is this lavender dried buds. It's a bunch of lavender in this packaging. This is from a local store. It's $2.50, this little package is. The cool thing that they included with this one is that they put a recipe in here for lavender lemon shortbread cookies. So on this side it talks about the product, and then on this side over here they have included a recipe, which is kind of fun. I've never had lavender lemon shortbread cookies, so I think I might have to make them. This recipe that they've included in here will make 12 cookies. Okay, so the next item in here, this is in some bubble wrap packaging, so I'll have to open that. But these are farm animal plates, and I'm assuming there's 4 of them. They are $20. They are just black and white little plates with farm animals on them. And I think, oh yeah, it does look like each one of them is has like different animals on them. So that is fun. I definitely don't have anything like that. That's not totally my style, so I am excited to have something like that. It's not something that I would ever purchase in store. So that's one thing I like about this box, is that sometimes you receive things that you might not, you know, if you were out shopping, you might not pick up. Okay, so the next item in here is a white enamel carry caddy, and it's pretty big. And this is what it looks like. It's got handles on each side. It's got little feet, and this is the inside. So this white enamel carry caddy is retailing for $24.99. Yeah, I don't know where I'm gonna put that yet, but I like it. It's something that I would definitely purchase if I was out shopping. So maybe I'll use it in my bathroom, or I have a coffee bar over here. Maybe I'd use it on my coffee bar, or I could use it on my setup behind me or my coffee table. I'm not sure where I will put this, but I will definitely include it in a video or take a couple of pictures for it and post it on my Instagram so you guys can see how I style that. So that was everything that was in this month's box. I loved this month's box. There was definitely some items that I would never purchase if I was out shopping, so I like that. New things. I like that they included the lavender. I like that they included the recipe for lavender lemon shortbread cookies. That's definitely something that I would like to try. I love the little caddy tray, and these little lemon napkins I think are adorable. So I will go ahead and list everything in the description below for you, and then if you guys want, follow me on Instagram and I will show you how I style these items or how I incorporate these items into our home. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.